Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how to add a splash color for any widget. For example, if I press on here, as you can see, the splash color appeared. Now I will save my application again and write this code. For that, let's wrap this container by a new widget, the Inkwell, and let's give it on top, and in here let's print hello world. Let's restart our app. If I press on it, nothing will change, but as you can see in the console, hello world is printed in here. Now to fix that, we need to wrap this Inkwell by a new widget, the material widget. Now if I save it and press on it, also nothing will change. We need to add a new color for this one, a transparent color. If I save it now also, nothing will change. We need to remove the color from this container. If I save it now, this splash color appeared. But what if I want to show this container color? You can just add the color instead of this one in here. So if I paste the container color in here and save my app again, let's try it now. So here it is. You can see the splash color appear. Now you can change the splash color by adding a property in here, the splash color property, and it choose, for example, any color that you want. Let's choose this one, for example. Save it. So here it is. And this can be worked for any other widget. For example, if I add an icon in here, icons dot anything, let's save it. Here it is. You can also wrap this icon also by an Inkwell, and the splash color will appear only in here. For example, if I cut the whole widget and paste it in here, let's cut this also, paste it like this, and now if I save it and press on it, only the button will appear. Now let's format our code. Now what if you want a rounded icon in here? Now let's rid off of this row and save it again. And let's rid off of this flexible. We don't need it anymore. Just like this. And let's add a rounded radius in here. So let's add a decoration of box decoration. And let's give it border radius of border radius dot circular. I will choose 30, for example. Let's save it now. Nothing changed. So let's cut this and delete the decoration from here. What if I add it in here? No. Let's save it. As you can see, the icon now is rounded. But what if I press on it? The splash color still a rectangle, so we should add the border radius for the material and for the Inkwell widget. Just like this. Now if I press on it, it will match the rounded radius in here. If you have a transparent color in here, for sure you don't need this border radius in here. So here it is. As you can see, it's still working. So that's it in this video. If you like this video, please hit the button like and subscribe for more videos.